In this video, I'll show you how to publish your Lovable app to the Google Play Store. First, open Lovable and go to your project. Make sure your project is already published. If it is not, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Once it is live, copy your site URL. Now open Google and search for App My Site. Open the website and click on Start for Free. Once the page loads, click on Create New App. Give your app a name, then under App Type, select Web to App. This converts your Lovable project into a mobile app. Paste your Lovable site URL into the link field and click Create App. Choose a color scheme that fits your design and click Create App again to confirm. After a few seconds, your dashboard will load. Click on Preview on the left side to see how your app looks on mobile. You can toggle between Android and iPhone views to test both. When you are ready, go to the Download section on the left and click Build App. App My Site will start generating your APK file, which is the Android app format. This may take a few minutes depending on your plan. Once the build is complete, click Publish from the left menu. You will see options for both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Since we are publishing to Android, click Publish under Google Play Store. This will take you to the Google Play console. Sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a developer account yet, create one first. Upload your APK file, fill in all the required details about your app, and click Submit for review. Once Google approves your app, it will be live on the Google Play Store. That is how you do it.